Here, Lily. Lily, sit. Good sit, Lily. Good sit. This is my process for going through the door. I'm going to have her sit with the door closed. I don't tell her to watch. I haven't even been able to lure her with food yet to watch me. But I'm going to open the door, and I'm going to teach her an open door is not an invitation to go anywhere. So I might even give a little, hey, sit. Sit, Lily. Good. 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 Sit. Good. Good. Now I'm going to wait until she looks at me. Good. 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 Good, Lily. Good sit. Sit. Sit, Lily. Good. 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 She has to know that the only way the show is going to go on is when she looks at me and asks for permission. This is the first time we've done this, so this might take a while. Good girl. Good. Atta girl, heel. I cheated a little bit. I used a squeaky toy, but the idea is to let her learn and figure it out for herself.